In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the data that you collect with your Weavely form into a Google Sheets. So we have our example sarcastic contact form over here. Head on over to the integrations tab where you'll see a whole bunch of integrations that you can add to your form. We're interested in the Google Sheets one. Click the add button and you'll be sort of prompted to connect to Google Sheets. So that's the first step. You need to connect your Weavely account with your Google Sheets account. So let's go ahead and press connect. Choose one of your multiple potentially Google accounts, hit continue. This is an important one. Don't forget to check this box here so that Weavely has the right access to your Google Sheets to create a new sheet and to write to it. Let's press continue, and that's essentially it. So we're now connected. We can add the integration itself. So now you can see from the drop down, I have this one Google Sheets account that I can choose from. And then you can select out of your form, which fields do you want to export to your Google Sheets. So by default, Weavely is going to create you a Google Sheet specifically for your form, and you can select which columns that you want. So let's just leave them all as selected and hit create integrations. So if I now head over to my Google Sheets, you'll notice that I have a sheet right here, which has the same name as my form and which has all of the form elements as columns. So let's try this out. We have our share right here. So let's open up this form that we have created. Let's give our name. Let's give our email address. This doesn't really matter. Give an option here and the star rating. We press submit, and then automatically that data is populated into our Google Sheets. It's as easy as that. If you want to remove that connection for some reason, you can always head on over to settings, connected accounts, and then you can disconnect your integration right here.